Hi guys, and welcome to day 19 of my 28-day face yoga series, and today's theme is lift and firm. Today's focus is all about lift and firmness. We are waking up the facial muscles, improving circulation and giving the face a naturally sculpted toned appearance. So let's get into it. I'll be starting by applying some facial oil on my face. I use rosehip seed oil. You can use any facial oil or serum that suits your skin, but you have to apply something before we start the exercises. First exercise, circles between eyebrows. Using your finger, gently massage small circles between your eyebrows. Keep the pressure soft and relaxing. This exercise helps release tension stored in the forehead area, soften frown lines, and relaxes the muscles that often make the face look tired or stressed. We have done this exercise plenty of times. If you have been following me since day 1, these exercises really helps you, release tension, and it also helps by reducing wrinkles. If you have been doing this consistently, you must have seen a difference in your face. Just a few more seconds. Second exercise, under eye pull. Place your fingers gently under your eyes and softly pull the skin outwards. Apply a little pressure while you're doing these exercises. Make sure your fingers are easily gliding on your skin. This exercise helps strengthen the under eye area, improves circulation, and helps reduce puffiness while giving the eyes a more awake and lifted appearance. Apply pressure, but also not too much. The under eye area is very gentle. The skin is thinner. Just gently massage. Few more seconds. Third exercise, cheekbone press. Using the fingertips, you have to gently press on your cheeks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep repeating it. This movement helps stimulate the cheek muscles, improve firmness, and encourage a naturally lifted look in the mid-face area. Keep doing it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Imagine lifting all the heaviness away from your face. Just a few more seconds. Fourth exercise, cheekbone lifting. Make a V shape using your fingers, place it on your cheeks, and try to smile and restrain that smile using your fingers. We are lifting our cheeks with our fingers, we are supporting them. At the same time, we are smiling, but we are also trying to restrain that smile using the pressure created by our fingers on our cheeks. This exercise activates and tones the cheek muscles, helping create a firmer, lifted appearance over time. Feel those muscles working. That's your face getting stronger. Just a few more seconds, hold on to it. Next exercise, mouth corner to ear pull. Using your fingers, gently massage from the corners of your mouth towards your ears in upward motions. Gently glide the fingers on your skin. Make sure that they are easily gliding. There is no friction. If there is friction, please reapply facial oil or serum, whatever you were using. This movement helps improve circulation, relax facial tension, and supports a more lifted appearance around your smile lines and cheeks. Always move upward. We are training the face to lift, not sink. Just a few more seconds. Next exercise, nose up and down massage. Using your fingers, massage gently alongside the nose in upward and downward motions. This helps improve blood flow, relax stiffness around the nose area, and can help reduce tension held in the center of the face. Keep your touch light and rhythmic. Apply a gentle pressure while doing it. And keep doing it along with me for a few more seconds. Seventh exercise, mouth corners. Make a soft pout with your lips. Hold it for a few seconds before relaxing. Make a pout and release it into a soft smile. Make a pout, stretch your lips and roll it back to a smile. This exercise works the muscles around the mouth, helping tone the lip area and support firmer mouth corners. And don't forget to relax your jaw while doing this. It's a very simple exercise. We'll keep doing it for a few more seconds. Eighth exercise, neck lift. Stretch your neck upwards and now stretch your jaw outwards and upward. Hold for 3 seconds and release. Lift your neck, stretch your jaw outward, count till 3 and release. Come back down. Lift your chin, stretch your jaw outward, 1, 2, 3 and release, back down. Lift your chin again, stretch your jaw and release. Lifting up, stretching jaw, 1, 2, 3 and release. Stretch your jaw again and release. One last time. Lift your face, stretch your jaw and release, and we are done. Next exercise, chin to ear massage. Using upward strokes, massage from chin towards the ears. Place your fingers on your chin and now glide your fingers towards your ears. Apply a little pressure while you're doing it. This exercise helps relax the jaw area, support lymphatic drainage, enhance definition along the jawline. Slow upward movements only, nice and gentle. Keep repeating it for a few more seconds. And that's day 19 complete. Every small session like this is helping your face feel stronger, more lifted and more refreshed naturally. Be patient with yourself, stay consistent and most importantly enjoy the process. If you haven't started your journey yet, you can watch my all videos in this playlist I'm tagging here, and in the description box you will find all the videos from day 1. Give this video a like and subscribe to my channel and keep supporting it. Now I will see you on day 20 of my face yoga series. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.